Hey guys, I'm back with another video on how to make white rice with lots of flavor, and that is my way. So what you're going to need is 1/2 cups of white rice, a teaspoon of salt, just a sparkle of pepper for taste, and then 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. So in the pepper, I'm just going to be adding like 1/8 of a teaspoon, just very little. So what I want to do is start off by rinsing out my rice. You want to do that first. I'm just going to do it over the bowl here, just until it comes out clean. All right, so just like this. If you want to make it a more simpler way, you can also just add a teaspoon of salt to 1/2 cups of white rice, and of course double the quantity of water. So it's just going to need about 3 cups of water in this case. But if you need to be using, you want to use just 1 cup of rice, then go ahead and use double that in water, so 2. All right, so let's go ahead and begin by getting 3 cups of water. And I'm going to set that to boil. Just at a medium-high heat. But basically your rice is just going to cook for just about 12 to 15 minutes. And then once it's done, you just want to set it aside. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I set my pot to medium-high heat. So I'm just going to incorporate the water first and then add in the rice. Okay, so I'm ready to incorporate my white rice into this, and then I'm going to add some vegetable oil just so this doesn't stick, and just a little bit, and the rest of my ingredients. Go ahead and add in your salt, and that is to your liking. But I don't like it as salty, so this is what works for me. Go ahead and add in the black pepper. Just a hint of it is good. And then the garlic. Go ahead and stir and cover and allow to boil for about 12 to 15 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so once your rice looks like this, you want to go ahead and just set it aside. Okay guys, and there you have it. Nice and easy white rice ready to serve as a side dish. I will be serving it with chicken stir fry, but this is perfect to go ahead and allow to cool and make it stir-fried rice. If you're interested in learning how to make that, I do have the shrimp fried rice recipe listed within my channel. But thank you very much for joining today, and I do hope that you can join our family, and definitely turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future recipes and videos. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.